How to cancel subscription from Google Pay. First, open Play Store, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then click on payment and subscription, then again click on subscription. Here you can see your all active subscription. For example, I want to cancel this subscription Coco TV. Click on it, then in the bottom you can see cancel subscription option. Click on it, then you can give any reason and click on continue and click on cancel subscription. Now you can see your subscription has been cancelled successfully. So that's it guys. If you find this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.